of the new Rata Mumbai committee. Hello, am I audible to everyone? I'm sorry.
Yes, you are audible. Please go ahead, Harshal.
Hello. Harshal.
Hello.
Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead, Harshal.
Right, I'm sorry. So I'd like to welcome everyone for the installation ceremony of the Rata Mumbai committee. My name is Harshal Ganjawala, and I'll be your host for the evening. Since this is the first time I am hosting a webinar, I'd like you to excuse me if I do end up making any mistakes. We'd like to start with inviting our Vice President to make the opening note. Hello.
Good evening, friends. My name is Jaspreet Singh Sethi. I welcome each and every attendee as well as the panelists for the installation of the committee for RRC Mumbai. This being the first RRC for Mumbai, it's I would say, privilege for all of us to be here. Initially, it was only Rata as such, and now since this year onwards, we are divided into various regions. This is the first year of Rata Mumbai, and I welcome everybody as of date. A small introduction, Rata is a 72-year-old organization. In the year 1969, 1949, I'm sorry, we had somebody that time thought there should be an association for air conditioning and refrigeration, which they formed at that time and handed it over to their juniors. And we are fortunate enough to be on that panel today. I would like to invite our president, Mr. Mihir Sanghvi, to take on today's presentation and introduce the committee to everybody. Thank you. Mihir bhai.
Thank you. I think the first this thing will be, I think Ajit will come in. I think Harshal.
Yeah.
We'll be going with the swearing in ceremony first.
Yeah, first.
Next is the oath taking ceremony of all the committee members, all the new elected members.
Yeah. Oath.
Okay, guys, good evening. I would be taking the oath of only the four office bearers. So that's Mihir Sanghvi, Jaspreet Sethi, and Pritesh, and also that of Akash. So these are the four people who will repeat after me. And
Harshal. Harshal is a...
And Harshal, I'm sorry,
yeah.
and Harshal also. So these are the people who will repeat after me. So please raise your right hand up clear so everybody can see. And you will repeat after me. I, please take your name.
Mihir Sanghvi.
Akash Verma.
Jaspreet Singh Sethi.
Harshal Padia.
Okay. Do swear in the name of God
Do swear in
Do
the name
swear
of
in the
God
name of God
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of Rata,
that I will bear true faith and
and
allegiance
allegiance to the
to the
Constitution of
Constitution
Rata.
of Rata.
I do swear in the name of God
I do
I
swear
do
in the
swear
name
in
of
the name
God
of God
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that
I will
uphold the
uphold the
sovereignty and integrity of India.
I do swear in the name of God
I do swear in the name of God
that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge
that I will faithfully and concessionally discharge
my duties which I am about to enter
my duties which I am about to enter
as the, please take the office bearer's name,
as the President,
As the Vice President,
As the Secretary,
As the Joint Secretary.
as the Treasurer
for the Mumbai Regional Committee.
for the Mumbai Regional Committee.
I do swear in the name of God
I do swear in the
I swear in the
name
name
of
of
God
God
that I will do right to all manner of people
that I will do right to all manner of people
in accordance with the Constitution
in accordance with the
Constitution
Constitution
and the law,
and the
and
law,
the law,
without fear or favor,
without fear of power,
affection or ill will.
affection, or ill will.
Congratulations, guys. You are the elected office bearers for
Thank you much.
the Mumbai Regional Committee. And as per our constitution, the secretary, Pritesh, you have the privilege to take the oath for the rest of the committee members. Thank you very much.
I request all my fellow committee members to raise the right hand. Hello? Hello?
yes, go ahead, Pritesh bhai.
Pritesh bhai, you go
Yeah.
ahead. You are audible.
Amod bhai can put on his video.
Amod bhai? Hello?
Hello.
Pritesh, we can hear you. You can go ahead and start.
Yeah.
So we are starting the oath taking ceremony of the all committee members. So everyone please raise your hands and say, you do, say a name,
Dharmendra Dixit.
you swear in the name of God that you shall
Do
bear
so.
true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of Rata. You
Do swear
do
in-
swear in the name of God that you shall uphold the sovereignty and integrity in India. You do swear in the name of God that you shall faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties which you are about to enter as a committee member, Mumbai Rata Regional Committee. You do swear in the name of God that you shall do right to all the manner of people in accordance with the Constitution and the law without fear or favor, protection or ill will. Members, please say I do.
I do.
I do.
I do.
So friends, welcome everyone on the board. Now, Harshal bhai.
Congratulations, guys.
Harshal Ganjawala.
Harshal bhai.
So, I'd like to thank all the new committee members who've been elected for having finished the oath taking. Now, we'd like to also have all the committee members, all the leaders on the committee to define each other's roles and give us an idea of what they plan ahead for the next year for this term.
Yeah, so Ajit, I would like to first welcome you and talk about National Committee. That's what I would like to request you to please go ahead with. So big round of applause to our National President, Mr. Ajit Manikar. Yeah, Ajit.
Great. Thank you. Thank you very much, guys. Thanks a lot. First of all, I just want to congratulate each and every one of you for having taken up this critical position and being here at the Mumbai Regional Committee. It's very historic in a way because this is the first time we have actually become truly national in a perspective. Earlier, we were more from the Mumbai perspective. I guess in the 72-year-old legacy that we've had, we've never had a situation as magnanimous as it has been in this October when the new committee has taken over. We are now 13 committees across the country. Our committees across India totaling itself is about 100, just committee members. And 6 years ago, our membership itself was just about 100 companies. And that's one hell of an expansion that we have made over the last 6-8 years. And the committee members who are there in Mumbai have all played a huge role in making sure Rata becomes truly a national representative for the micro, small and medium enterprises in the field of air conditioning, refrigeration and ventilation. Congratulations to all of you, but you must also realize the responsibility. All the other 12 committees are all in their first year. You might be here today as a regional committee, but all the other people are being committee members even for the first time. The Mumbai Regional Committee will always have this huge responsibility to set the benchmarks, because most of the people who have just come into the committee are always wondering, how do I get started? And if you have seen some of these successful committees who have actually moved ahead, have just tried to do what Mumbai has done. So you will always set the benchmark. And it is extremely important that the Mumbai committee members display that commitment and actually go ahead and demonstrate what can be done in the rest of the region. If you look around, the Mumbai committee is extremely experienced. Majority of the people are people who understand the lanes and bylanes of RATA. They know how RATA functions. They know how to get it going. Add on to it, you have been able to attract a lot of very new people into the committee who are also stalwarts from the industry. The Mumbai committee, to an extent, is also fabulous because you have got a great representation of the industry. It is, you've got dealers, you've got project contractors, you've got consultants, you've got traders, you've got manufacturers, you've got all kinds of people of all sizes, and that is fantastic. So it's a true representative in that way. So that's a great benchmark that you have all set up. At RATA, we are very clear that we are not looking back. Within the next 2 years, at a national level, we are going to institutionalize this entire association. It will be run by a community who represents our industry. And that is, at the national level, we are very clear that's how we want to do it. It cannot be a representation of just 5 people, 10 people, 15 people active, but a community who has taken over the association. And to make that happen, Mumbai will play a very, very critical role in setting the benchmarks. And you have a great team, and you have a fabulous leader in Mihir who understands this whole brick by brick building of the association. He's been part of it. So congratulations to all of you, and wishing you the very, very best. Thank you very much. Over to you, Mihir.
Thank you, Ajit. Thank you very much. May I now please request our past president, Mr. Paras Siroya, guru for majority of us, right? Let him talk about the evolution of RATA, way it has evolved over the years, way various stalwarts have contributed to it, and let us be proud about this legacy which we all are part of. So, Paras bhai, aapke hawale.
थैंक यू मीर. मेरे को तो इतना बड़ा स्क्रीन, इतने बड़े लोग देख के ही अचरज हो रहा है, सपना जैसा लगता है. थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू. जैसे आपको तो सब मालूम है कि राटा बहुत पुरानी एसोसिएशन है. इंडिया में सबसे पहली एसोसिएशन यही है. बाकी की जितनी भी एसोसिएशन है, 4 एसोसिएशन यहाँ पे पहले से है, काफ़ी पुरानी है. राटा कैलकाटा, राटा चेन्नई, राटा दिल्ली एंड राटा मुंबई. इसमें भी मुंबई सबसे पुरानी है. ये जो एसोसिएशन चालू किया था, ये हमारे जो पुराने, अगर जो लोग जानते हैं कि अहमद फजल बॉय, बाटली बॉय, वोल्टास, ब्लू स्टार, ऐसे जो बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियां, उस समय गिनती की 10 कंपनियां ही होती थी इंडिया में, 4-5 बड़ी और 4-5 छोटे. 10-15 कंपनियों में तो पूरा भारत समा जाता था. तो ये उसी समय उन लोगों ने जरूरत समझी और चालू किया. टाइम के साथ काफ़ी आगे बढ़ता गया. बोलते हैं ना कि कारवां चलता गया, लोग आते गए, काम करते गए अपना, और जाते भी गए. और 70 साल में न जाने कितने लोगों ने अपना लाइफ टाइम भी दिया हुआ इस एसोसिएशन को. पुराने हमारे घोष बाबू हुआ करते थे जो ओपेरा हाउस में बैठते थे, ऑलमोस्ट वो डेडिकेटेड एसोसिएशन के लिए ही थे. और सब लोग उनके पास जाके राशन के जैसे चीज़ें लेते थे. जब चीज़ों की शॉर्टेज होती थी तो एसोसिएशन का ये वर्ड था कि कंपनियां राटा को कोटा देती थी कि ये तुम्हारा इतना कोटा है, तुम अपने हिसाब से अपने मेंबर्स में बांट दो. तो ये उस समय से ही राटा की जो वैल्यू लोगों ने समझी हुई थी, और टाइम के साथ और बढ़ता गया. जो बड़े बड़े मैन्युफैक्चरर थे उनका इंटरेस्ट अलग हो गया, और जो छोटे लोग थे उनका इंटरेस्ट अलग हो गया। तो एसोसिएशन से एक नया एसोसिएशन निकला, रामा, रेफ्रिजरेशन एयर कंडीशनिंग मैन्युफैक्चरर्स एसोसिएशन, जिसमें आज की डेट में आई थिंक 30 के आसपास मेंबर्स हैं। और उसमें सब वोल्टास, ब्लू स्टार, एलजी, ऑलमोस्ट ब्रांडेड कंपनियों वाले हैं सब। हमारे राटा जो है टाइम के साथ छोटे लोगों को ही कैटर करती थी। मैं तो जब से था, जब मैं पिछली बेंच का व्यूवर था राटा में, लास्ट बेंच में बैठा करता था। और लास्ट के जो लोग होते थे वो कितने शाई होते हैं और कैसे वो मतलब आगे आना नहीं चाहते, उस समय से वो फील जो मेरे अंदर थी वो बहुत लोगों ने बूस्ट किया। सच्ची बोलो तो मैंने अपने आप को लोगों को यूज करने दिया। कितनी बार अगर खुद में अक्ल नहीं होती है ना तो लोग ही अक्ल दे देते हैं। तो लोग अक्ल देते गए, किसी ने कुछ यूज किया, किसी ने किधर यूज किया, और मालूम पड़ा कि मैं यूजफुल हो गया। तो आज भी जब मैं आगे बैठता हूँ तो मैं सबसे पहले पीछे वालों को देखता हूँ, उनको बोलता हूँ भैया आगे आ, मैं भी तुम्हारी तरह पीछे बैठा रहता था, कोशिश तो कर, आगे आएगा तो आगे आएगा। तो लोग बहुत आए, आगे साथ आए, बहुत सारे लोग आए थे एसोसिएशन की इस जर्नी में। तो आई थिंक मैं तो 20 साल से भी ज़्यादा हुआ होगा जब तारदेव में ऑफिस हुआ करती थी राटा की, और अकेली एक ही एसोसिएशन थी जिसके पास अपनी जगह उस समय भी थी, आई थिंक आज भी है, आज फिर भी आयकरा ने ली है, बट और कोई एसोसिएशन के पास अपनी जगह नहीं थी। ये जब हमारी छोटी जगह थी, छोटी जगह से फिर बड़ी जगह हुई हमारी जो आज है हमारे पास, तो उसमें भी हमारे बहुत लोगों ने, उस समय ऐसा था कि जब हमने एसोसिएशन की ऑफिस ली थी तो हम ग्रुप में 5-5, 7-7 लोग एक डीलर, ट्रेडर्स और मैन्युफैक्चरर पास जाके मिल के उनसे हमने कंट्रीब्यूशन लिया और डोनेशन लिया, प्रोग्राम किया था। जगदीश पारिक ने वो प्रोग्राम बहुत अच्छा सक्सेसफुल भी बनाया था। सोनाली बेनाडे करके एक काफ़ी अच्छा रहा था वो, आज भी लोग उसको याद करते हैं। तो जैसे जैसे एसोसिएशन आगे बढ़ता गया इसमें बहुत लोगों ने योगदान दिया। कुछ लोग मतलब ऐसे भी थे जिन्होंने तो इतना डेडिकेशन था कि एसोसिएशन के अलावा उनको कुछ दिखता नहीं था। इसमें मैं कुछ लोगों के नाम, आज एक्चुअली हम लोग एक वीडियो दिखाने वाले थे, समाओ वो वीडियो पूरा बना नहीं है, तो बाद में हम वो लिंक आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करेंगे। हमारे जो पुराने साथी, पुराने लोग जिन्होंने अपने जीवन का अमूल्य समय एसोसिएशन को दिया है, उन्होंने अपनी आवाज़ में कुछ वीडियोस भेजे हैं, वो हम आपको बाद में दिखाएंगे। उनमें से कुछ लोग थे जो हमारे जो प्रेसिडेंट्स जो थे, जैसे वर्मा जी, जिनका लड़का आकाश। आपको एक हिस्ट्री बता, जब ये चेंज हो रहे थे, इतना एक्टिव नहीं था एसोसिएशन, मैं भी एक्चुअली थक गया था, तो मैं बोला अभी मैं एसोसिएशन छोड़ रहा हूँ। तो कुछ अजीत, दीपक डालमिया, तो वो लोग आए, नहीं ऐसा तो नहीं चलेगा। मैं बोला यार मेरे से तो नहीं होता है। तो बोले एक काम करो, कोई आए या नहीं आए, कोई काम करे या नहीं करे, हम 3 जन मिलके ना इसको आगे बढ़ाएंगे। पक्का है? मतलब पक्का है। उस दिन के बाद एसोसिएशन कभी पीछे नहीं देगा। देखो जिस दिन एजीएम था, जिस दिन ये इलेक्शन हो रहा था, उस दिन हमने सबको पूछा, जसवीर जी, टिंकू जी के फादर, प्रीतेश के फादर किरीट भाई, वर्मा जी आकाश के फादर, सबसे बोला कि सर अभी हम नए सिरे से लोगों को ले रहे हैं, आपको हमको थोड़ा चांस देना है। तो सब ने मेरा बेटा, मेरा बेटा, मेरा बेटा, और सेकेंड जनरेशन पूरी आ गई। आई थिंक अजीत के साथ जितने भी हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं ऑलमोस्ट सेकेंड जनरेशन के थे, और सबने इतना डेडिकेशन, इतना मतलब काम किया कि हम लोग बाहर जा जाके कोशिश, बट जो बॉम्बे का जो एसोसिएशन का विजन था, फिर बढ़ते बढ़ते हमारा वो नेशनल विजन हो गया। इसमें मेन विजन अजीत का था, और साथ में इसमें जो मेन सपोर्ट मिला ना वो अपने अमोद भाई और आर्यन जोशी, उन्होंने जो वीआरएफ के जो प्रोग्राम फैलाए पूरे देश में ना, तो सब जगह जाके एक एक जगह पे जहाँ लोकल एसोसिएशन को जितनी भीड़ नहीं होती थी, हम बॉम्बे से जाते और वहाँ पे कम से कम 200-300 लोग जमा हो जाते। तो इस तरह से एसोसिएशन इतना आगे बढ़ रहा था। अभी जो लोगों ने किया इससे पहले भी थे, जगदीश भाई, फिर हमारे हितू भाई, उन्होंने काफ़ी मेंबरशिप लाए थे। फिर जो हमारे ये रहे हैं, प्रेसिडेंट रहे हैं पहले वर्मा जी से स्टार्ट हुआ, वर्मा जी, देन आई थिंक वैलिस के बाद में गोसावी साहब में गुरलानी जी के बाद में मैं, मेरे बाद में अजीत। इतने को तो मेरे को याद है, बट उससे पहले भी बहुत थे, बट बहुत लोगों को मैंने कोशिश भी किया देखने के, आज तो मिले भी नहीं। जस्ट लास्ट में जब राटा डे हुआ था तो हमने सोचा था कि हमारे पुराने कितने लोग कहाँ कहाँ पे हैं, उनको हम याद करें। मैंने ब्लू स्टार में फोन किया, उल्टास में पता किया, बट नहीं, समाव हम लोग ट्रेस नहीं कर सके। जिन लोगों की फोटोएं थी और उनके टाई और सूटेड बूटेड फोटोएं लगी हुई थी राटा, फर्स्ट राटा डे के अंदर। तो ये जर्नी जो चली, इसमें एक्चुअली जो एंजॉयमेंट हुआ ना, मैं मेरा पर्सनली बता सकता हूँ। मैंने कभी भी कोई भी सोसाइटी में बहुत कम, मेरा हमारे समाज में, धर्म में, इसमें मैं बहुत कम एक्टिव रहता हूँ, बट मेरे को एक मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी जो लगती थी ना, कि मैं मेरे ट्रेड के लिए, जो मेरे को रोजी रोटी देता है, मैं उसके लिए कुछ करूं। तो ये बोल के मैं वहां पे आया और मैं काम करता था, और जो लोग जैसे कराते थे वैसे करता था, और करते करते ही सीखा। मैं कोई कोई कॉरपोरेट से नहीं आया हूँ, मैं कोई पढ़ा लिखा ज़्यादा नहीं हूँ, मैंने कोई ज़्यादा कुछ सीखा नहीं, बस यही प्लेटफॉर्म था जो सिखाया। तो मैं तो सबको बोलता हूँ कि आज हमको, जो हम लोग बिजनेसमैन हैं, जो बड़े कॉरपोरेट हो गए हैं थोड़े, या मीडियम भी हैं, उनको कोई प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं है। आप कोई भी जाके अजीत तो बीच में भी जाके कुछ 1 साल स्टडी करके आ गया, बट कितने जन स्टडी करके आएंगे बताइए? कोई नहीं जाता है। एक बार धंधे में लग गया ना तो लग गया। तो ये जो प्लेटफॉर्म है, ये सबसे अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे आप अपने आप से अपने आप को कुछ सिखा सकते हो। बहुत कुछ है, मेरे को बोलूंगा तो मालूम पड़ेगा कि 1 घंटा मैं ही बोलते जा रहा हूँ, बट हिस्ट्री ऐसी है कि जहाँ जो भी लोग आए कुछ सीख के गए और कुछ दे के भी गए, ये पक्का था। तो आई थिंक वीडियो हम आपको बताएंगे, और थैंक्स टू अजीत। नाउ मीर तो बाद में जुड़ा था, मैं तो बोलना ही भूल गया कि 3 जन के बाद में दीपक थोड़ा सा उसको लायंस क्लब में बहुत ज़्यादा एक्टिव हो गया। तो हमारे पास अभी तो उन्हीं ने हमारी कमेटी को इंस्टॉल कराया था, नेशनल कमेटी। अब देखो, वो दीपक ने जब देखा तो खुद शॉक हो गया। 100 मेंबर थे जब दीपक था, हम लोग जब चालू किए थे। 100 से कोई 2-5 110 कुछ थे एक्टिव, 60-70 ही थे, बट आज 100 कमिटी मेंबर। मैं किसी को बोलता हूँ ना, तो आज भी मैं काफी लोगों से जब बात करता हूँ मेंबरशिप के लिए, तो उन लोगों को पुरानी राटा याद है, तो उसके बारे में पूछते भी हैं। तो मैं बोलता हूँ आपको याद है कितने मेंबर थे, या आज कमिटी में कितने मेंबर है? तो गैस भी करें कितने, 20, 25, 50, 100 कोई गैस नहीं कर सकता। तो ये हमारी कमेटी यहाँ तक पहुंची है, और इसके आगे तो अभी देखो बड़ी टीम है, सब क्या करेगी। बट पीछे की हिस्ट्री के बारे में आपको बता दूं कि किसी भी एसोसिएशन में या किसी भी कंपनी में उतार चढ़ाव आता है, बट जो लोग आए, उतार चढ़ाव भी आया, बट हर आदमी को इस एसोसिएशन ने कुछ ना कुछ दिया। 100% उन्होंने अगर इसको 2 वक्त का 2 घंटा टाइम दिया, तो इसके बदले में एसोसिएशन ने उनको बहुत कुछ दिया है। तो आज भी लोग याद करते हैं। देखो, जब एक प्रोग्राम हुआ था तो हमारे रामचंद्रन जी, हम लोगों को नहीं मालूम कि उन्होंने भी राटा की सर्विस की थी। वोल्टास में मीटिंग हुआ करती थी, वो बोलते मैं अरेंज करता था, तो बीच में उठ के मीटिंग में बोला मैं आई एम द ओल्डेस्ट मेंबर ऑफ राटा। तो कितना प्राउड होता है पुराने लोगों को जब वो देखते हैं कि उन्होंने जो मेहनत करी, वो मेहनत से आज एसोसिएशन कितना आगे बढ़ रहा है। अभी आज की बात बताऊं, जब हमने ये वीडियो बनाने के लिए पुराने लोगों को हमने भेजा, मेरे को ये अपना आकाश बता रहा था अपना एक्सपीरियंस, कि मैं सबसे बात कर रहा हूँ, सब इतने एक्साइटेड, उनको बोला 1 मिनट 2 मिनट का वीडियो भेज दो, सब ने 8-8 10-10 मिनट के वीडियो भेज दिए, 2-2 3-3 वीडियो भेज दिए। सोचो उनकी खुशी कि उनका एसोसिएशन, उन्होंने जो काम किया था एसोसिएशन में, आज उनको जो खुशी हो रही है वो बयान नहीं कर सकते कोई भी। अब जो वीडियो देखोगे तब आपको मालूम पड़ेगा वो क्या था। आई थिंक हिस्ट्री तो बहुत है, बट ठीक है, सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा है, और अब जो चल रहा है ये आगे हिस्ट्री बनेगा, ये आप लोग सब ध्यान रखिए। कल उठ के फिर इन्हीं में से कोई पुराना होगा और वो हम सब की बातें करेगा। तो हम सबको ऐसा काम करना है कि जो नेक्स्ट जनरेशन आए वो हमारी बात करे और हमारे एग्जाम्पल दे, तभी हमको लगेगा हमने भी कुछ किया है। थैंक यू।
Wow, Paras bhai, thank you so much. That was really superb. And honestly, even I'd like to admit I have been a committee member with Rata probably I think for 3 years. और पारस भाई ने जो भी कहा about the experiences and about the self learning, I have first hand experience on that. So I'd absolutely like to second Paras bhai. Sorry,
एक
Paras
चीज
bhai.
और बताना चाहूंगा 1 मिनट के लिए। बहुत लोगों को बहुत क्यूरियोसिटी है कि आइकरा और राटा, क्योंकि आइकरा का नाम है ऑल इंडिया एयर कंडीशनिंग एंड रेफ्रिजरेशन एसोसिएशन। तो ये जो 4 एसोसिएशन हैं अभी भी, जो कलकत्ता, चेन्नई और दिल्ली और बॉम्बे, हमेशा ये एसोसिएशन गवर्नमेंट को अपने रिप्रेजेंटेशन भेजते थे। बिकॉज ऑफ एक्साइज ड्यूटी में, बजट में ही सब चेंजेस आते थे। तो एक सेंट्रल बॉडी चाहिए थी जो इन चारों को रिप्रेजेंट करे गवर्नमेंट के अंदर। उस समय आई थिंक, मेरे को पूरा साल याद नहीं है, बट 20-25 साल हो गए। तो ये आइकरा बॉडी उस समय फॉर्म हुई थी और उनका काम मेनली गवर्नमेंट लाइजनिंग का ही काम था। और चारों एसोसिएशन को मिला के उनको जो प्रेजेंट करना है वो वहाँ पे करते थे। तो इस तरह से आइकरा फॉर्म हुई थी, जो बाद में ऐसा हम लोगों ने फॉर्म इस तरह से किया था कि वो पेरेंट बॉडी जैसे काम करे और ये चारों एसोसिएशन उनको सपोर्ट करें। पर समाव वो इंडिविजुअल एसोसिएशन बन के रह गई और चारों एसोसिएशन में से सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग एसोसिएशन अब बॉम्बे का हो गया, जिसके साथ चेन्नई भी जुड़ रहा है, कलकत्ता भी जुड़ गया, दिल्ली इन फ्यूचर में जुड़ेगा या जो भी है। हम नहीं चाहते कि कोई जुड़े या ना, जो हमारा तो मोटो एक ही है कि हम इंडस्ट्री के लिए, ट्रेड के लिए काम कर रहे हैं। अगर कोई दूसरा भी कर रहा है तो हमको उससे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। और छोटे छोटे एसोसिएशन बहुत चालू हुए थे, जिसमें हैदराबाद है, देन बेंगलोर है, अहमदाबाद है, जो ऑलरेडी डिसॉल्व हो गए और टाटा के अंदर ज्वाइन हो गए। तो हमारी ये भी, जो भी सुनने वाले हैं, जो फ्यूचर देखे, कि छोटे मोटे एसोसिएशन को साथ में ज्वाइन करो तो कुछ बड़ा अगर मजबूत बन गया तो आपकी आवाज सुनेगी। आज ही मैंने एक वीडियो देखा था जो हमारे जयपुर वाले मनीष जी ने बनाया है। तो वो ये रिक्वेस्ट कि आप लोग सब वो वीडियो देखिए तो लगेगा मतलब यूनिटी क्यों चाहिए हमको। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Paras bhai, for your kind words, and we all have learned under you. आपने हम सबको guide किया है. I would request now Mr. Ramchandran ji to kindly come on the stage and address all of us. He has been a mentor. He has always been a well-wisher, and I know that he has amazing soft corner for Rata. So Ram sir, if you could come online, and we are looking forward to hearing you.
You can all see me now.
Yes, sir, we can see you.
First of all, let me thank Rata and Mihir for inviting me to be here today. I will like to take off where Paras has left. In fact, my association with Rata, as I mentioned in one of the earlier meetings, goes far beyond Paras and Ajit. I was involved with Rata way back in the 1980s. Precisely from, I think, 1986 to 90, I was involved with Rata. I was with Voltas at that time. All the Rata meetings, monthly meetings of Rata used to happen in Voltas house, where I was working under Mr. B.R. Banerjee. B.R. Banerjee was a member of Rata at that time, representing Voltas. And those days, the regular members of the Rata who was coming for the meeting was, first of all, Mr. Ghosh. I don't know what Mr. Ghosh's business was. I also don't know what is his role in Rata was. But really speaking, he was Rata. He was Rata. Rata used to operate out of the briefcase which Mr. Ghosh was carrying. And besides Mr. Ghosh, Mr. Banerjee, Mr. S.P. Agarwal from Batley Boy, Mr. Arjun Gidwani from Blue Star, Mr. Verma from Ishwar Trading, Mr. Iyer from Ambiga Trading, and many times Jasprit. These were regular members who used to come for the meetings. My role was simply to make sure that the conference room was open at 4 o'clock when the gentlemen used to come in, and be there till there is a sufficient quorum so that I can call Mr. Banerjee. Mr. Banerjee will come and sit there. So the meetings were a very regular affair at that time. And more important, I should not forget that My role was also to arrange for tea and biscuits for all the people who are assembling there. Now, all the people who were working for Rata at that time, they were all dedicated people. They were all, I think Mr. Ghosh was spending his life for Rata at that time. And actually the main contribution, or the contribution which was supposed to be considered the most important, was to prepare pre-budget appeal to the government in respect of excise duty and all that. Other than that, I don't think there was much activity other than this pre-budget activity and trying to influence the government at the pre-budget time. That was the major activity at that time. Now, subsequently in 1990, I left the headquarters of Voltas and came to the branch, and my association with Rata ended at that time. And I was lucky to get associated with Rata maybe after another 15 years, maybe around 2005 or so. And I am seeing a very different Rata now. I am seeing a very different Rata. What I am seeing is a new spark. It is a much younger Rata, as Prakash was mentioning, as Paras was mentioning, maybe the second generation has taken over Rata, but there is a real spark and a real enthusiasm in Rata affairs. I am seeing from probably, I don't know exactly whether Paras started off or whether somebody else took the initiative. I am not going into that because I don't know. I am not that closely associated with the association. But I am seeing a very different, energetic Rata from then onwards. And let me also tell you, for a country like India, our leaders always say that we are not going into much of regulations and all that. But in fact, the regulatory regime is very much active. For any business to survive and prosper, you have to influence government policy. That perhaps is the most important function of an industry organization like Rata. Again, Paras mentioned, I am really aware that how the ICRA came about and Rata and all that. At that time, Nirata was there. I don't know whether it is there now. Nirata was the Delhi association. There is a South in Chennai. There was, I think they were called SIRATA, something like that. But all these associations used to work independently. There was very little cohesion between the various associations. And that, unfortunately, was the curse of the whole industry. If the industry can move together as one unit across India, it'll really work wonders for the industry. Let me also tell you the example of Singapore. When this the person who is credited with for the giving the birth to the new Singapore, Mr. Lee Kuan Yew, when he had taken over very early in his regime, he realized that for a hot and humid country like Singapore, to raise the people's productivity, raise the people's well-being, it is very necessary to focus on air conditioning and refrigeration. So he really put a lot of emphasis on air conditioning and refrigeration industry, and he has openly stated that has helped Singapore to compete with more benign climatic countries in Europe and the United States. Unfortunately, our leaders, from the time of say 1950 onwards, I still remember that during the 1986, 1980s and early 1990s, the excise duty on our business was a killing 131%. You can imagine where that has taken the industry. There was virtually no growth. Again, Paras mentioned that in those days, you can count the companies on your fingers who were in the air conditioning and refrigeration industry and prospering. Even today, the situation has not changed. Currently also, we are classified in the tax bracket along with what they call that they got a particular word. We are classified along with tobacco and alcohol. That is where our industry stands. Air conditioning, still the leaders think that it's a luxury and should be curtailed. That is the basis of taxation even as on date. Then we pay a lot of lip service to refrigeration. A proper development of refrigeration can really put food on many of the tables in this country. The poor people. Refrigeration industry can really make our farm products available to the consumer with no deterioration. Unfortunately, even the refrigeration industry is not being properly supported. This is where an organization like RATA comes forward. RATA is an organization. Primarily, I think you are very strong in Mumbai, but I would humbly suggest that you try to spread your wings across the country. There are places like Nashik, Aurangabad. You not only in Maharashtra, all over the country, there are many small towns where refrigeration industry, not the big companies. Big companies actually they're big. See their requirements and our requirements are different. There is no commonality in purpose between the very big companies, multinationals, and the micro, medium, and small scale business, which is represented by this association. So unless you really spread your wings and get the hundreds of people who are in the business across the country, in each and every town, there will be hundreds of businesses. If you can become their voice, that will be your success. I really hope that with the young leadership that is there, you're coming, I'm not denying you're come a very long way. You're come a very long way from what you were earlier. But the path ahead is much more complex and much more elaborate. I wish you all success in reaching there. Now, let me also spend a word about Mihir, who has called me here. Mihir is the son of Mr. Narendra Sanghvi, and my relation with Narendra Sanghvi was somewhat special. I very rarely seen such a polished gentleman, and doing business with him was always a pleasure and a privilege. Now, Mihir brings something more. Mihir brings a lot of dynamism, a lot of enthusiasm to the table wherever he is. I am seeing him working for ISRE over the last 10-12 years, and really any group that Mihir is putting his mind in is really doing wonders. I am sure Mihir will lead the region to much better strength. And I also wish Ajit all success in coordinating the resources of all the regions, all the chapters, and making RATA very strong. And one last word, RATA and ISRE has been cooperating in many ventures. ISRE is a purely technical society, is a professional society, is a society of individuals. Unlike RATA is represented by companies. But there is a lot of commonality between what we can do together in technology, in science, the science of refrigeration. There is a lot that we can work together. I sincerely hope that with Mihir, who is a budding leader in both the organizations, I think the closeness will come much stronger. Thank you very much. Let me wish RATA and Mihir all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you, Ram sir, for your kind words. Means a lot, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
वी मिहिर
Thank
एक्चुअली
you.
बताने वाले रामचंद्रन जी है, उतना तो मेरे को भी नहीं मालूम था. थैंक यू सर.
I think Paras Bhai and Ramchandran sir together have taken all the RATA members down memory lane, and I think that was really awesome. Next, I would like to invite our new president for the Mumbai committee to let us have his vision and mission plan for the elected members.
Thank you, Harshal. It's been absolutely a nostalgia, to share the screen along with stalwarts like Ram sir and Paras Bhai, who has been my guru. Before I start, my first slide, if you go, it is gratitude. That's what I personally believe in. I really thank Lord Almighty, for giving me this opportunity that I'm here. It is pure blessings of my late father, Mr. Narendra Sanghvi, and my late mother, Prafulla Sanghvi, that whatever I am because of that. It is my family who has constantly been, a source of inspiration and gives me that liberty that I can, contribute to the society. It means a lot. before I move forward, I mean, one person which I would like to thank, he's not present here today, that is Mukesh Bhai. I still remember in year 2010 when I participated first time in ACREX. And I wanted to travel to China, मुझे जाना था कि exhibition क्या होती है, दुनिया क्या होती है, मुझे देखना था. और वो मेरी उंगली पकड़ के राटा के स्टॉल के ऊपर लेके गए. और literally he did not say anything. सर चुपचाप यहाँ पे साइन कर, मेंबर बन और तू हमारे साथ में एग्जीबिशन में आ रहा है. And that's where I traveled to that first exhibition and I met my guru, Paras Bhai. I think today, whatever I am, whatever I have learned, जो थोड़ी बहुत मेरी आज मैं जो भी बोलूं मेरी जो पोजीशन है जो भी है, it is thanks to this one gentleman, Paras Siroya. He has been my mentor. He has been my guru. He is someone whom I respect a lot after my father. So he always knows that. Thank you so much, Paras Bhai, for whatever you have been always to me. I have been fortunate to get amazing friends to Rata and Ishre. That is Ajit, who is one of my closest confidant. He has been always been a guiding force, and as very rightly put by Paras Bhai, it was. I still remember जब मैंने पहली मेरी meeting Rata में attend की थी, along with Paras Bhai, Kirti Bhai, who is Pritesh Bhai's father, then Gosavi Saab, Anand Gosavi Saab, Gurnani Saab, who is father-in-law of Ajit Panikar, and yeah, I think we were the people, and I attended that meeting, and I was so lost. और मैंने पारस भाई को बोला था, मतलब पारस भाई मुझे ये एसोसिएशन और सब कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है. नहीं सर, तू कुछ नहीं, तू साथ में रहे, and अपने आप तू सीखते जाएगा, अपने आप तुझे वो लगाव होते जाएगा. And today I am die-hard fan or passionate about Rata or Ishre or whatever association or society I'm part of. So thank you, Paras Bhai, for that journey. I'll always remember that journey which you, me, Ajit, Deepak ji, Tinku ji, Akash, and all of us took. And along the way, as you very rightly pointed out, two most important people who helped us in taking Rata to the next level was R.N. Joshi Saab and Amod Dikshit Saab, whose contribution has been tremendous. And not to forget Reenal, who is also here. She has been also a very important part in this journey. So let me start with my presentation today. So friends, thank you very much. I mean, giving me this opportunity. This is the core team of Rata Mumbai Regional Committee. I am coming in as president. Jaspreet Singh ji is vice president and who will be the virtual president of Rata Mumbai. Pritesh Bhai is going to be the secretary. Harshal Padia is going to be joint secretary. And Akash is the national treasurer. He also doubles up as a Rata Regional Mumbai chapter, Mumbai Committee's treasurer. We have a young and dynamic team who is there. Next slide, please. And this entire team has been divided into two parts. One will be taking over as membership, which is one of the most important part of the chapter operations. And second is going to be your programs. So Miss Shubha Prasanna comes in as membership chair. She has along with him Deepak Choraria Saab, Mr. Harshal Ganjawala, and Mr. Dharmen Dikshit. My dear friend, Mr. Amod Dikshit, he comes in as program chair. Along with him, we have Parth, who will be concentrating on the refrigeration side, and we have Mr. Lavinder Duggal, who is part of the program team. So this constitutes the entire regional committee. Then next slide, please. We have our two mentors, without whom I think is what is Rata today, and it means a lot. Paras Bhai, who will be also guiding us on the membership, and Ajit, who will be helping us with the programs. Next slide, please. This is our young guns, the members, I mean, whom we have a lot of hope for. And I hope that how there was a core team, which was with Paras Bhai, myself, Ajit, Deepak ji, Akash, Tinku ji. Like that, now this next core team comes in, and we have the young guns of the generation next who are stepping in. So we have Dhrumil Dikshit, Dharmen's son, who is here. We have Hardik Tanna, a dynamic dynamo in itself, and a great guy. Mahendra Bhai comes in today to represent the metal market, and that's the reason why he's one of the main, and he's a very dynamic guy, a very dear friend, means a lot. Mr. Amitesh Prasanna, son of Shubhaji, and Shrikant Lalwani. So these are the guys who forms the action committee of Rata. Next slide, please. This cannot be possible by the जो हम बोलते हैं ना शरीर की रीढ़ की हड्डी होती है और रीढ़ के हड्डी के बिना कोई भी शरीर straight खड़ा नहीं रह सकता है. And हमारी रीढ़ की हड्डी, we have had a very strong रीढ़ की हड्डी right from Chabilda Saab, those who may be aware of, उसके बाद में we had Vikranti, and then Renal came in, and Renal became a very strong team member of us, and she has moved on with her journey. We wish her all the best. And now we have three strong team members of ours, that is Savita, Vishakha, and Manohar, and they are the ones who we all may be coming across with a lot of ideas and all, but these are the guys who actually execute in the background. So thank you so much, guys. And this is our team Rata. So let me tell you guys before we move on to the next slide, and this is what something I would like to say. You know, we all are part of the MAP industry. We all are part of the refrigeration industry. Let me say कि जब हम एक building को देखते हैं, it is an architect जो एक उसकी design बनाता है, right? Then there is a builder who actually builds that entire building. Then you will be having the MEP team who will be putting the various kind of, you know, amenities into it. And that's where we come in. We are the air conditioning guys जो मकान को घर बनाते हैं, जो मकान को office बनाते हैं. And I am proud of that particular business which I am part of. हम वो घर को रहने लायक बनाते हैं. आज की तारीख में आपके शीशे के पूरे घर के अंदर अगर एयर कंडीशनिंग ऑन नहीं होगा सर, तो आप वहां पे बैठ नहीं सकते. आप मोस्ट अमेजिंग इमारत जिसको आप बनाते हो ऑफिस के लिए, एंड पूरे की पूरी ग्लास फसाड होती है, वहां पे आप एक आधा घंटा भी एयर कंडीशनिंग के बिना बैठ के दिखाओ, इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी पॉसिबल. सो इट इज आवर टीम, आवर ट्रेड व्हाट मेक्स a building livable, and we all should be proud about it. So the theme when I thought of, let me come up with, next slide please. So the theme which I thought of was Ekta, unity. E stands for empowerment. We should be proud of who we are, and we have to empower our trade. We have to show the world. कोई हम आज शुभा जी से हम दोपहर में बात करें तो अभी बोला कि नो टाइम्स व्हेन पीपल कॉल अस एसी वाला, भाई ये एसी वाला ही है जो आपको घर में वहां पे सांस लेने योग्य बनाता है. And that's where we have to empower the trade. We need more and more entrepreneurs to come in, and that's where Rata plays a very important part in Generation Next. K stands for Karyasham. We have to increase our productivity. We have to improve our skill set, and that's where Rata comes into picture. T stands for teamwork. It is the power of unity which will take us to the next level. हम हमेशा, you know, राम सर ने भी हमें बताया, we are always divided by the diversities, by the religion, by the geographical differences. क्यों चाहिए हमें? We all are one, and our trade defines us together. We are no longer just a trader, no longer just a manufacturer, no longer just a consultant, no longer just a SSD, no longer just a contractor, no longer just an after-sale service provider. We are from the trade of HV, AC, and R. We as a team, we increase the productivity of the people by giving them the right kind of environment. We as a team actually ensure that the food reaches from the farm to the fork. And that's where Team Rata comes into picture. And अगर ये तीन चीज को इकट्ठा करते हैं, that's where आत्मनिर्भरता comes in. We have to be self-reliant. We have to be self-resilient. And that's what our PM Modi Saab also says, that आत्मनिर्भर बनो. और आत्मनिर्भर बनने के लिए हमें ये एकता बनाए रखनी पड़ेगी. The power of unity will allow us to redefine the dynamics of the trade, and that's where this vision I want to give to Team Mumbai. It is in sync with our vision of the national committee, and that's where we will be complementing it. So that is the entire team. I expect them to work towards. And how are we going to achieve this? So I am not going to now talk much further. I want my team members to talk about it. So I would request our membership team led by Ms. Shubha Prasanna. Shubha ji, if you can come in, you can talk about what are the various kind of activities which you are going to do, how we are going to reach out to the members, and how we are going to take our trade to the next level. Shubha ji, over to you.
Thank you, Mihir. It has been a great pleasure to be associated with Rata in the last 3 years, and it has been quite inspiring too. Today, I would request all our participants who are there in this seminar, as well as all our trade partners, to be a member of Rata, so that we can be one single voice and a proper lobbying of our association and our trade can be done in the corridors of the government, statutory bodies. And today, fortunately, as a membership chair, I'm also supported by Pritesh ji, Akash sir, Paras ji, Dharmen ji, and Harshal. So we have a total team from different faculties of our industry itself, like a trader, a service person, a manufacturer. So they can all reach out to their co-partners in the industry itself and make a proper association, so that we can be a very strong voice. Today, in fact, we want that. And as a membership chair, we are trying out various methods to increase our membership. And it has been a great honor to be part of our of this association. And I would request Harshal to carry on.
No, there are, next slide, please. I think you missed out on Deepak Chaureria Saab and Mahendra Mehta. These are also another two members who are part of your team. And they come in with a lot of, reach to the trade. So, Shubhaji, advantages of being a RATA member, that's what I would like to discuss about.
Yeah, today, if you are a member of RATA, today, RATA is not a technical association. It is basically a commercial association. Any trade member is always free to come across and discuss their commercial issue, client issue, so that we are not a legal body, definitely, but we can always be a kind of a mediator and come to a a very amicable solution between your client and yourself, so that we as a member, we are benefited by being a part of this association.
Absolutely. And if you can just see the outline of what are the advantages which are there, the kind of industry connect what we can reach out to, newsletter which reaches out to almost 6,000 MSMEs across India, your RATA portal, the government outreach, which is normally led by our Pritesh Bhai, Dynamic Pritesh Bhai, who's, today also we have, I think, Khande Saab and all of the Akhade Saab, they are going to join in at their convenience. So we are looking out for them. And then representing the body to take up the common issues, which are the various aspects, immediate update of the trade notification. I think लोगों को दूसरे दिन सुबह में न्यूज में या न्यूज़पेपर में पढ़ाई देता है, हम लोग को वही दिन शाम को इधर ट्रेड का notification निकलता है, on the spot, thanks to Akash bhai, we managed to get it. Thanks to Pritesh bhai, we managed to get it. And advocacy with like-minded societies. Today we are absolutely blessed that we have president of ISHRE Mumbai chapter, Mr. R.N. Joshi, who is present here. IPA Mumbai chapter, Mr. Sandeep Mandiratta, who is here. Lagodhyog Bharati president, Mr. Bhushan Mandesa, who is present here. Apart from that, we had presidential member of ISHRE, Mr. Ramchandran sir, who has been our guest of honor today, and various other societies who have been represented today. So it is absolutely an honor, and this can be possible only when you are part and a partial of a member of the thing. So thank you so much, Shubhaji, for your lovely introduction and being part of the membership of RATA. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Next, I would like to call on stage a very dear friend, Mr. Amod Dikshit, and who is absolutely a young, dynamic person. And sorry, I think the first is reaching out to the members in whichever manner. So I would request Harshal to take it over, the representation of the representative of the Generation Next. Yeah, please.
So this is how, good evening everyone. So this is how we reach our members: WhatsApp, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, which is handled by Generation Next, my marketing team, Hardik Tanna, Amitesh Drumil, Mr. Shrikant, Harshal Ganjawala. So these are the team which we are focused for marketing. So here you can see it's a web portal. This is a RATA business portal. Advantages of RATA business portal is it's a first B2B HVAC site where you can log in, be a member of RATA, and do business with any of the companies you wish to. You can find each and every products of HVAC in our industry. There are more than 50 microsites, and still we are counting. There are more than, I can say, 400 odd companies which is going to be registered, and who are non-member of RATA, which is around 6,000 companies which is going to be registered, and it is live. You can use it. For using, you need to be a RATA member. So it is very simple. Sign up, log in, create your password ID, and you can easily log into the site. And if you have not renewed, please renew and take the advantages. Thank you.
Thank you, Harshal, for listing out this excellent advantages of RATA portal, and not to forget even our newsletter, which reaches out to 6,000 MSMEs across India.
Newsletter as well.
Yeah, and you guys have absolutely taken the social media by storm with the kind of continuous posting which is happening on all the four. Yeah, please, you are saying something, Harshal.
That is all thanks to the meeting.
So fantastic. So I think really appreciate that. And now let me invite my dear friend, Mr. Amod Dixit, to talk about the programs and how we are going to reach out to various members. And we will also be having along with him Akash, who would be also talking about our few special programs. Amod bhai, over to you.
Thank you so much, and welcome everybody again to this program. Thank you very much, all the guests of honor over here. So this has been a great evening and a fantastic installation. So just would like to introduce our program team, which I'm heading. So along with me, we have Parth Thakkar and Ravinder Duggal, who will be handling the programs. And of course, we have great people like Jaspreet Singh, we've got Harshal, we've got Ajit Panikar, President Mihir Sanghvi, and Hardik Tanna. So they are all great friends and they are all great people to work with. We've been doing fantastic programs in the past, and we've innovated a lot of programs in the past. But with this new dynamic team, of course, we'll miss R.N. Joshi for this entire tenure. He has been a part of the program team in the previous years that we had. And
so Amod bhai, that we have excused him only for 1 year, this particular year. So next year he has to be back.
Yeah,
that is going to be by public demand.
No, but that is where I'm saying. So I'm missing him in this picture. So that Rata के नीचे लविंदर के बाजू में जो खाली जगह पड़ी है वो R.N. Joshi की है, ऐसे याद
Absolutely, absolutely.
So we are going to have a fantastic team and we're going to have a fantastic number of programs. So we'll go to the next slide where I will talk about a little bit of the programs. Okay, so basically, as we know that, programs bring members and members bring programs. So this is the connect that we have. And as we have Ekta as a theme by the president, for the programs, we've got mask, we've got vitamin C, and we've got the PPE. Now this has all come in thanks to the COVID. So what it means, let us just talk about. Next slide, please. So when you are talking about the mask, basically the mask, we are all talking about soft skills, where the M is for mentoring, A is for aptitude, S is for soft skill, and K is for knowledge. See, just to tell you a little bit about the connect in the HVAC industry, we all know that we have ISHRE and we have RATA. So what ISHRE will be doing, or what ISHRE is doing, is completely on the technical side. What RATA is going to do and RATA will continue to do is going to be on the soft skill side. So this is what the mask part of it is. Can we go ahead, please? We've got the vitamin C, which is vitalizing and connection. So this is basically where all the programs that we have with the Government Connect. So this is where the Government Connect comes into play. And then we have the PPE, which is going to be more of the commercial programs, where we have P for profits, preservation, and enhancement. So we have a lot of programs which are basically the financial side, the commercial aspects of the programs, and this is what the PPE will stand for. Next slide, please. These are some of the special programs that we have had in the past few years. And the flagship program, which we started about 3 years ago, thanks to RN, is VRF Mela, for which I think I should thank Nasir and RN both, because the idea came in and we just started. And of course, the presidential team was fantastic to give us the permissions to go across the country to have VRF Melas, which we had in Chennai and Hyderabad and Indore and Ahmedabad. And I don't know, I think I may be missing a lot of cities, but where we had VRF Melas. And thanks to these programs and thanks to the reach, we have also now have chapters in all these places. So just to answer one question, which or one thing which Ram sir had said. Ram sir, today there are a lot of chapters across the country, and Rata is spreading. So I think that will answer your question. Similarly, we also have had the cold chain Vyapar, thanks to Pankaj and thanks to Akash, who have done a fantastic job over there. Rata Day celebration, I can never forget without RN Joshi. It was impossible. We had the 75th celebration and we had a walk of fame. And what we saw or what you heard about, what Paras Bhai spoke about the journey of the last 75 years, we actually showed it in pictures over there. We had it in Mumbai, of course, and with the entire subcommittees of each and every chapter from all across the country also joined us. So that was a phenomenal program, and we will continue to do that. Business Chunatiyan is Jasprit Ji's brainchild, and along with Jasprit Ji, remind me who there were two people, Jasprit Ji and Pankaj, if I'm not wrong.
Jasprit Ji, Ajit,
Ajit
Paras
and
Bhai,
yeah,
all of us were part of that, right?
Yeah. So all the challenges that we talk about in our
Akash,
business, Akash. Yeah. So all the challenges that we talk about in our business, especially in the last 7 months, where everybody has been in a COVID situation, Business Chunatiyan has done wonders, and we've been tackling and discussing problems after problems. So that has been a fantastic program, and we'll continue to do so. So these are the other programs which we will be doing this in this particular year. So of course we will be drawing out the programs and sending the emailers to everybody, WhatsApp as we have said. Plus Harshal will help us put it on the website also. So we will have the complete calendar over there, and everybody will be able to see what it is. Now, of course, Gen Next, Mihir, I think I would like to say this, that, we had, when we talk about Gen Next, there's one person who is on this program who is watching but not saying anything, is Vishakha Dikshit. She was part of Gen Next, for incidentally, now that she is going to Singapore for her MBA, won't be part of this year, but I have told her that wherever it comes
she's
to,
still Gen Next. She's still Gen Next.
So wherever it need be, whether it is so wherever it is Ishre or Ashre or Rata, wherever it comes to, she will, from wherever she is, maybe in Mumbai, in Singapore, she will always try and help. So I think
we never know, Amod, why we may end up opening up a RRC
Singapore
in Singapore.
branch. Yeah, why not? So I hand it over back to you. Thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you,
again
Amod,
soon.
thank you for your kind words, and I think excellent programming calendar, where incidentally Akash has also chipped in a lot. Akash, would you like to say a few things on this, please?
Yeah, thank you, Amod bhai.
So only one thing, Akash, what I would like you to do is, tell me कि 24 घंटे का 28 घंटा कैसे करना है ये programs करने के लिए.
Amod bhai, that is exactly, what I think our trade members will be asking us, because at the end of the day, we've done so much in terms of bringing Rata to a certain platform, and you have very rightly said all the names. But now we also need to look at the members that we have made, and especially in our region, how we can give back to them. So we need to identify maybe all the pressing points in terms of legal compliances and statutory requirements, where these businesses, while they are so busy today trying to make the day's ends meet, where we have so many technical smart people who are handling the refrigeration, air conditioning, temperatures in all those buildings Mihir bhai spoke about. But at the end of the day, if we can help them manage their money in some way and grow it and invest it in the right places, then we've done some good programs where they feel comfortable and they say that हम लोग हमारा काम करते हैं, बाकी राटा हमारा ध्यान रखेगा. So if this kind of a solace we can give them through some of the programs, if I look at ESIC, PF, profession tax, insurance, wages, I mean, these are places where people say, यार कोई आ जाएगा और हमने सही चीजें नहीं की हैं तो तकलीफ हो जाएगी. So let's give them solace through that. Let's try and bring those ERP and accounting programs and how Tally has worked. Let's bring to them app development and website development. So these kind of programs where they feel that they are really going to, one is where, of course, you have second generation coming in and they become Gen Next. But some of the people who are not having that privilege of second generation, but let's try and make their thinking second generation and at least match, those who are coming in now. because we want our every trade member to stay Rajnikant and to stay forever young and with the times that we have. So let's try and do some of those things. And with the team that you are leading, I'm sure this is 100% going to be possible in this tenure.
Thank you,
very
Akash. I would request Pritesh Bhai, if you could welcome
Yeah.
Gajanan
Mihir
sir, who
bhai.
is here. Yeah.
Mr. Gajanan Khanande, Deputy
Yes.
Commissioner, Enforcement Branch, Mumbai, he has just joined us. Khanande ji, sir, please.
Oh, hi everybody.
Yeah,
Good
sir.
evening.
Khanande ji.
Thank you, Pritesh bhai.
Yeah.
And I congratulate the Regional Committee Mumbai for their new assignments. And I'm happy to join with you. So thank you, Pritesh bhai. I wish all the best to the new team.
Thank you, Gajanan sir. Thank you so much for coming in. It means a lot, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
A pleasure, sir. A pleasure, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Gajananji. Thank you so much it's a pleasure to have you here. To all our members, this is a very important thing that you must all realize. This is the new phase of the government. It has been my personal experience, and most of us have realized that never have we found the GST department so forthcoming. One invitation and they reach out not only to help us out, but also to be part of our good times and whatever difficult times. And to the entire GST department of Maharashtra from the association, we are very, very thankful for being with us and being part of our journey. Thank you so much.
Hello,
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
have a word here,
Yes,
please?
Ramchandraji.
Yes, Ram sir.
Seeing Mr. Khanade here is very, very encouraging actually. I would also will like to suggest one thing, that you should have a committee for advocacy. Rather than a regional committee, it has to be an all India committee. And the function is basically to work closely with the government and senior government people. Because this is not everyone's cup of tea, and it is very difficult and has to be done with a lot of dedication. But please do form a government liaison committee. You can call it an advocacy committee, but the prime function is to influence public. That is where the success of the association is. And the routes to the success is, of course, membership, and route to membership is through programs. I don't deny that. But the ultimate objective of an industry association is to put forward the members' requirements in front of government. So please take my humble suggestion and work towards that.
Thank you, Ramchandranji. Actually, we have already worked around it. So at the national level, we already have our clear-cut plan in terms of our milestones as well as the advocacy team. Both at the national level, we have broken up the advocacy in two forums. One is actually which is part of dealing with the state governments and the central government. So we have teams already allocated at every state level and at the center as to who is reaching out. Second most important thing on our advocacy is also reaching out to other business associations. So we are also engaging with other MSME association of other industries, because a commercial requirement is not just specific. Some of them might be specific to our industry, but almost 60 to 70% are pretty generic in nature. So we have a team which has been separated to reach out even to other business associations. So this has been already activated, and this is already in play. And hopefully within the next 1 year, we would be able to showcase that. In fact, it is because we activated this, we were able to bring in Sri Nitin Gadkari ji, who actually addressed the entire association. And we're very thankful to his team who reached out. And it is a great discovery process that we have found, that it is only for you to reach out to the government or the government departments, and majority of them are very, very forthcoming, because never before in the history of this country we have seen so much of support for entrepreneurship. People have come to believe that the entrepreneurs are the people who can actually build the economy, who can actually create the jobs which this country so desperately needs. So I think that support seems to be very, very clear, both from the political side as well as from the bureaucracy. And I think that is where we have also incorporated it into our plan, and we already have a team that is working towards it. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Yes, Harshal, would you like to take it forward? The Generation Next activities, please. Harshal?
Yeah, just a second. I was just calling Pritesh bhai. Sorry. So, Rata se parichay. So, this is basically came from the president. कि Rata se parichay karao. So, Rata se parichay is not only for Generation Next. It is for who are not part of Rata, who wants to be part of Rata, but they are still in two minds. Why we should join Rata? Or there are a couple of them which are not renewed. They also think that why should we renew? So we would like all the people who are in two minds, या जो भी दो बार सोच रहे हैं कि हम राटा में मेंबरशिप ले नहीं ले, रिन्यू करें नहीं करें. So I would ask anyone, anytime, to reach Generation Next and know about Rata, what Rata is doing across India, what Rata has achieved in last 1 decade. So this is all about Rata Parichay. Generation Next, like I would say 3 years back, there was like young couple of people like me. There was one guy called Sean, which he's in Canada. Harshal Ganjawala, couple of 3-4, Parth Thakkar, Jaspreet Saini, like 4-5 people have thought of taking Generation Next. Why Generation Next? Because there is a group of Generation Next on WhatsApp. I have met couple of people who are still studying, who are still pursuing engineering, and they are still in two minds whether to join this trade or not. So we would like those people who are still in two minds, I would like to say them, कि please come to Rata, see what is the trade about, what is the growth, the technology, what strength you have, and what you can share for trade. This is all about the Gen X. We would like all Generation Next or third generation. It is not about only second generation or any first generation. It is about third generation coming up. Anyone can be part of Rata. Know people, know the trade, like exactly Rata se parichay. This is how our trade is going to grow. And the kind of like in this last 7 months COVID has been, by joining, I would say, young minds, young guns who can think, would solve the problems which was happened in this 7 months, like payment issues or any sales issue. There's a lot of lacks and pros and cons, which I would say that Generation Next should come in and throw up their ideas. How can we help them in the trade? Thank you.
So Harshal, that is the reason, if you see, I mean, we have already put you onto the lead, that is leadership, exploration and development. And you all are part of the active committees and you will be taking the lead. So that is what we expect all of you to get into and take the Rata to the next level, because you are the guys now who have to carry this responsibility on your shoulders.
We will.
So let's move. Yeah, thank you so much. Let's move on to the next slide, please. So on advocacy, I would request our Pritesh Bhai champion to come in and talk about it. I apologize. I mean, there is one association which you have missed out, that is Indian Merchant Chambers, with whom we are very closely associated with. So, yeah, Pritesh Bhai, please take it forward. Please. Yes, Pritesh Bhai.
Yeah. Good evening, friends. Respected all seniors and my brothers and sisters of the Rata family. See, I am currently now appointed as an Aeronautic Secretary by Mr. Meher Bhai. He has given me the responsibility. See, the leader is always one who knows the way, one who goes the way and who shows the way. I have got 3 leaders, my mentors for the Rata: Ajit Bhai, Paras Bhai and Meher. My father was also a Rata office bearer, Kirit Bhai, and he has worked a lot for a Rata. So now our duty, friends, our duty, my duty is role is to just to see how our committee works, how our committee performs. We have a different set of committees. My duty is just to see that we all set a deadline, we set a time frame, and we will ensure to deliver and we will set a benchmark for entire India, all our RRC committees. We will make sure we will give the best of the things, and we have got the best of the knowledge, we have got the best of the person with the team members. So our delivery will be the best of the class. So we'll make sure that we will come out with the things that will put it like a benchmark, and we will come with the more new ideas and more flair of the things. And I will like to have Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas, and I will like to have the help of all my fellow members to achieve the goal set by our president. Thank you.
Thank you, Pritesh bhai. Thank you so much. And as very rightly pointed out by Ram sir, and we share phenomenal relations with all our supporting association, like-minded society. And RATA's goal always has been never to compete, but to complement. We work hand in hand, and that's where the power of unity works. So be it Farm Federation of Association of Maharashtra, we have a couple of representatives here, and we really thank them to be present here. Thank you so much. You have been a great source, and Pritesh bhai is already part of it. We have Rama, we have established excellent relationship during the COVID time, and along with Gurmeet Saab and now with Java Saab, we are taking it to the next level. Ishre, we have always shared excellent relationship right from the beginning, and we are in complement with them. Ishre is taking care of all the technical aspects of air conditioning and refrigeration trade, and we look at purely commercial, and we work hand in hand. Whatever Ishre does, we don't compete, but we complement, and that's where whatever Rata does, Ishre doesn't compete, and they complement. That's how we work. We have Ashray also, where we also try and promote as many of their programs along with Rata. With Laghu Udyog Bharati, as very rightly pointed out, we have been working very today. Our president, our general secretary of Laghu Udyog Bharati, Mr. Bhushan Marde, he was here. He had to leave for another meeting with the leadership, and that's the reason he had to go out. Otherwise, I would have requested him also to talk. Indian Plumbing Association, we have president of that, Mr. Sandeep Mandirata, who's here. FSCI, we have president of Mumbai chapter, Mr. Suresh Menon. He was to join, but I think then he had to leave for another meeting. And ASSOCHAM, and not to forget IMC, where our national president, Mr. Ajit Panikar, already is part of it. And tomorrow we have an industry meet, which we would be taking it forward. So I would go to the last slide of ours, that is together.
So, can I just share that to the committee?
Yeah, please go ahead, please, Ajit.
Yeah. So in the last, when the government of India, when the Prime Minister actually spoke about Atmanirbhar Bharat, and if you're aware that air conditioning is among those top 6 lists they have taken as an industry where they want to actually make India self-reliant. And it's a very difficult task because most of it is completely import dependent. 30% is finished goods, and almost 60 to 70% of the components is import dependent. So I guess when we were in the talk with Nitin Gadkari ji, one of the things that we realized is that the MSME ministry is very, very keen to help us build this, to build component manufacturing. So they had told us that, you tell us what you want. And that's from where we got this whole idea that we need to build a white paper. So if an MSME wants to get into component manufacturing, which is going to be the sunrise industry for the next 10 years, how do we actually, where do I start from? We don't know. It's pretty much like a confused maze. So that's when we set up a task force, and the content requirement and to build that requires a great team of researchers. So that's when we reached out to the Indian Merchant Chambers. Of course, we reached out to Rama, and we also reached out to Ishre. But Indian Merchant Chambers has a huge research wing, very well established. And I have been part of the Indian Merchant Chambers committee now for almost 3 years. And I'm very happy to say that, it took us about a month's time of presentation and confirmation. But today now Indian Merchant Chambers has agreed to do a joint white paper on the component manufacturing for HVAC industry and that is what we are going to work out. So formal confirmation from their team has come in, and in fact tomorrow is our first committee meeting, first task force meeting to draw the plan for building this entire white paper. So this will be the first industry paper which we would come out with, which we intend to take to the central government. We through the MSME, we want to reach the PMO's office, and we want to make the government of India as part of this white paper, as part of the Atmanirbhar Bharat project for the HVACR industry. It's a long drawn out plan. It might take us 1 year to actually put it into practice, but I'm very confident that we have got the lead and we've got a path to go ahead. Now it's all about making it happen. Thanks a lot. Over to you, Mia.
Thank you, Ajit. So you, as very rightly pointed out, I think it is the collaboration which is taking us to the next level. And that's what RATA preaches about, power of unity. Ajit, if you could play the next slide, please. Power of unity. Friends, let us get together and redefine the dynamics of the trade. That's where all of us need to go and take it forward. My last slide is thank you very much to each one of you for being present, giving your time. Means a lot. Special thanks to Ramchandran sir, who is our guest of honor, and he actually guided us with, 80s, I mean, how RATA was and how they used to work about. Thank you so much, Ram sir, for doing that. Our national president, Mr. Ajit Panikar, who is already a part of our current team also. Our national secretary, Mr. Subramaniam, he's also here, right? We have a lot of national treasurer, Mr. Akash, who is also part of the team, and immediate past president, Paras sir, my guru, thank you so much for gracing this occasion today and being present. All the presidents of the supporting association, that is ISHRE, Mr. Arun Joshi Saab, Mr. Manish Gulalkari Saab, and thank you so much, Sandeep Mandirata from Indian Plumbing Association, Mr. Bhushan Made, who is National Joint Secretary of Laghu Udyog Bharati. We have Mr. Shah from Federation of Association of Maharashtra, who is also joined in. We have, in fact, Mr. Mahendra Mehta, who is also part of the Bombay Metal Exchange. So thank you so much, Mahendra Bhai, for being present here, and also he's part of the team. So it has been a tremendous team effort. Special thanks to Generation Next, who created this lovely PPT. A lot of inputs from Akash. Thank you so much for giving it a lovely shape in the end. And Savita and Vishaka for your inputs. Harshal, I know you have been going to and fro since yesterday organizing this entire event. Means a lot, and it has been a simply superb way. My entire team for being present here, and all the members from RATA, ISHRE, ASHRE, all those, thank you very much, means a lot. And the journey begins now. Let's take it to the next level. And with this, we formally conclude today's this thing. I would request Pritesh Bhai to give a vote of thanks. But before that, we have talented singers like Deepak and Sumodh. I think we can listen to a couple of songs from them.
Sumodh is not there, only Deepak is there.
Actually, only Deepak is here. So Deepak, couple of songs from you. You have been blessed with amazing voice, and I think you have been doing simply amazing. And really, Deepak, miss your father today, Mohan Bhai, who has been, very much part of our journey. And always, I remember each and every of any other occasion, I can still remember his, hand on our shoulder, in which he tells us that, you guys are doing a great job. And today, like a truly guarding angel, I'm sure he would be looking from up and he would be saying that a job well done. So Deepak, over to you. Thank you, buddy. And
thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
From you, and then we can end. Urvish Bhai, thank you so much. He is our joint secretary of ISHRE, and also Paurush Bhai. Thank you so much. Yeah, Deepak, over to you.
Okay, thank you, sir. होठों से छू लो तुम मेरा गीत अमर कर दो बन जाओ मीत मेरी प्रीत अमर कर दो ना उम्र की सीमा हो ना जन्म का हो बंधन जब प्यार करे कोई तो देखे केवल मन नई रीत चला कर तुम ये रीत अमर कर दो होठों से छू लो तुम, मेरा गीत अमर कर दो. Sir, one more here.
Yeah, please, Deepak.
Yeah. So this song is from that Life in a Metro. इन दिनों दिल मेरा मुझसे है कह रहा, तू ख्वाब सजा, तू जी ले जरा, है तुझे भी इजाजत, कर ले तू भी मोहब्बत, उसको छुपा कर मैं सबसे कभी ले चलूं कहीं दूर, आंखों के प्यालों से पीता रहूं उसके चेहरे का नूर, इस जमाने से छुप कर, इस जमाने से छुप कर पूरी कर लूं मैं हसरत, है तुझे भी इजाजत, कर ले तू भी मोहब्बत, इन दिनों दिल मेरा मुझसे है कह रहा, तू ख्वाब सजा, तू जी ले जरा. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Amazing. Amazing.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, Pritesh bhai, I think a formal vote of thanks, and I think then we can just leave the meeting for casual conversation.
Yeah.
We have Mr. Nimit Shah from Farm who is here.
Yeah.
So friends, thank you very much for your time you given for our installation ceremony. Special thanks to Mr. Ramchandran ji, our chief guest, Mr. Gajanan Karande ji, GST Enforcement Commissioner, and all my friends from the different faculties, Mr. Laghudev Bharti, Mr. Bhushan Berde ji, and other from IMC, Indian Plumbing Association, Farm, Mr. Nimit Shah. I congratulate everyone of my entire team, and I thank you very much to all for attending our function, and Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Sorry, I just missed to forget. I just missed to thanks Mr. Deepak for your beautiful two songs. Deepak, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Deepak,
you.
Thank you so much, bhai, for that lovely song, man.
Thank you, sir, very much.
Thank you.
Deepak, you have shown us that मन और दिल के बिना कुछ achieve नहीं कर सकते.
Yes, sir. Right.
But Deepak, I've become a big fan of yours. I've been following you up on Facebook and YouTube, and I think the fan following what you guys are getting is simply, I don't know how many of you are listening to him on the Facebook, and I think this guy is going to be the next future YouTuber, of industry. He has got thousands of views, on those songs and all that.
Here we need to go and post our programs on his YouTube. And
absolutely.
Yeah. In fact, Deepak, it is fantastic. Otherwise they say these air conditioning guys are boring technical guys who talk only mechanical stuff. You bring in a nice creative side to the entire industry. It is fantastic to hear you, and you're gifted with a brilliant voice, and it is fantastic to hear.
Thank you, sir.
Ajit, I keep on telling people here, we are the hot guys in cool trade. Yeah.
Yeah, Mihir, no one else will call you hot, so you have to only say it.
At times, self-proclamation is the best proclamation, man. Chalo, guys, thank you so much. Thank you once again.
Thank you.
Thank you all.
Thank you all for attending. Thank you so
All the best. Good luck. Thank you.
All the best, everybody.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Mihir. Congrats, Mihir, once again.
Congratulations, Mihir, sir.
Thank you, Savita. Thank you, Vishakha, Manohar.